All right, YouTube, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Check out this post frame pavilion that actually we built right here. Look at this setting right here, post frame pavilion, 24 by 40 pavilion. In this short little video, I'm gonna share with you some of the things that we did. Look at this diagonal bracing that we constructed. You can see we use 6 by 6 posts, but a good setting here with the bin. Let me kind of give you a little bit more depth perception as I back up. But look at this liner panel that we put on. Okay, underneath there. See that? Let me get you a little bit closer. All right, that's actually got a 20-year on it. 20-year warranty on it. And then look at the coil stock that we kind of trimmed that up. It sharpens up the building as I bring you a little bit closer. But the diagonal wedge bracing that we put in. All right, you can see the white soffit, but let me get you a little bit closer so you can see that right there. So a nice setting right here with the baseball field. And they're gonna put a concrete pad when the budget allows. But it kind of gives you a little bit better idea, maybe what you can do. There you see it right there, actually. How we go up there in the soffit here. All right, we go to the roof line. But it sharpens up the building there when you put the, right there, that nice flashing, not flashing, but you can see it really cleans up the building. Actually 24 by 40, white and green. Let me stand back in just a little bit here, but the setting, all right. We've done actually, you know, a number of these. I mean, a number of post frame pavilions and so forth, but there you go. Green, white. That kind of gives you a little bit better idea. All right, keep it down in right here.